Morning guys, and happy Thursday. So this is the last day of the week. Finally I can't rest. My
doctor doesn't have any offline class.
So anyway, today I'm gonna make Indian breakfast. It could be breakfast, it could be lunch, it could be dinner. It's up to you, but today I'm gonna have it for breakfast. So I'm gonna make paneer paratha. This is a stuffed paratha, an Indian dish. So I have here, first what we have to do is, I have here 2 cups of wheat flour, and you have to put a half teaspoon of salt. Then we have to knead this until this one becomes soft. So you put with water and knead it. So now this is finished. So now after this we have to set aside. Now we will do our stuffing. So this is paneer or cottage cheese. I have here a cup of paneer. So what you'll do, oh, there's still more water because it was been defrosted. So you have to smash it by your hand. It's just soft. I already defrosted this yesterday. So after this, you do like this. You have to smash it. Then you can put your finely chopped 1 onion. This is a half inch ginger, finely chopped. A finely chopped 2 chilies. If it is depend on you how many chili you require. Mine, I have chopped 2 green chilies. Then cilantro or coriander leaves. Then you put a half teaspoon of salt, red chili, 3/4 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of gramasala, and a half teaspoon of cumin powder. All you have to do, just mix all together. Just mix well. Ready to use. See, as you can see, my dough is just soft. So it's ready to use. So we have to make small balls. Okay. So this is I have here, this is also with flour, so it doesn't stick on our, what do you call this? I don't know. Okay, we just have to roll it like this. Okay, you have to press on the corner, and then now you have to put your stuff. So this is the paneer. I press it here, and then you have to close it. So it's closed. Now again we have to roll it. First we have to put the flour so it doesn't stick. So now we have to roll it again. We have to flatten it. This is just very easy to make, guys. At first, when you're if you are a beginner, of course it is very difficult because it needs a lot of what we call this hand coordination. So you just have to do like this. I'm making small ones only, guys. I don't want big parathas. So this is ready. So now we have to put it in a plate. So this is ready. Now again we have to make. Again the same procedure, we have to do the same step. We have to flatten our dough. And then press in the corner. No, edges, sorry. And then put our mixture inside and then close it. And then press again. Then put the flour so doesn't stick. Now we have to roll it. When you do your rolling, guys, you have to do it in a circle, what do you call this? Movement. So I have rolled 4 parathas. So now let's have to cook this now. And now first we have to heat it up our pan. And we have to put, I'm using pure ghee. So I'll show you, I'm using a pure ghee. So we have to put oil first. Just a little bit of oil. The paratha doesn't require a lot of oil. But of course, it is person to person. So for me, I don't put lots of oil on my paratha. So here now it's heated up. We have to put our paratha. So let's just cook it around a minute. This is the paratha. It's cooked on this side. Now we have to cook it on the other side. Now we have to just put little of oil, pure ghee, just in the corner, like that. Now this is ready. Now oil again. Put oil and put a paratha. Now, so here you go. My paneer paratha. This is a stuffed paratha. Sorry guys for the background. My family is just making so much noise in my house.
No, it's my house.